Today on Cooking with Lynja, we're making my boy Alton Brown's Tres Leches cake. For this recipe, we'll need cake flour, baking powder, salt, unsalted butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, half and half, heavy cream, and confectioner's sugar. The first thing we have to do is start the batter. In a medium bowl, mix 6 3/4 ounces of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, we need to grab a large bowl. First, we beat 1 stick of unsalted butter until it's fluffy. Then we slowly add 1 cup of sugar, 5 eggs individually while constantly mixing, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. To finish the batter, we add the flour mixture from earlier and mix until smooth. Now we turn the oven on to 350 degrees and oil and flour the pan. We transfer the batter to the pan and bake for 20 minutes. While the cake is cooling, we start to make the glaze. In a large bowl, we whisk together 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 cup of half and half. We pour the glaze over the cake and refrigerate for 1 hour. Now it's time to make the whipped cream. We grab our mixer and add 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 3/4 cups of confectioner's sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We mix until stiff peaks form. And finally, we spread the whipped cream on the cake, sprinkle with cinnamon, and garnish with sliced strawberries. And that's how you make Tres Leches cake. Timmy wouldn't give you a piece of cake, but you can have this. I did sneak it for you.